Yeah. Hey, Melvin, do you want to join us for some division at Farmer Fred's barnyard?
Yeah, sure, Maisie.
Woof, woof. Farmer Fred obtained 3,904 ounces of milk from his 6 cows today. A quart is 32 ounces. How many quarts of milk did Farmer Fred obtain from his cows today? Moo. Use the strategy of partial quotients. Okay, let's look at what we have. We have 3,904 ounces of milk. We want to separate it into equal size containers, so that's division, and our quarts are 32 ounces, so we're dividing by 32. For partial quotients, we need to write some facts about our divisor. So 32 times 1 is 32. 32 times 10 is 320. Remember, with powers of 10, you're just adding zeros. 32 times 100 is 3,200. 32 times 1,000 is 32,000. 32,000 is greater than our dividend, so we don't need this fact. I can begin by taking out a set of 3,200. So I'm going to write 32 times 100 off to the right to keep up with my partial quotient. This is my partial quotient. Next, I will subtract out 3,200. I can't take out another set of 3,200, but I can take out a set of 320. So I'll write 32 times 10 off to the right. I'll subtract 320. I can take out another set of 320, so I write 32 times 10 off to the right. And I subtract 320. I can't take out any more sets of 320, but I can take out a set of 32. So I write 32 times 1 off to the right. I subtract 32. I can take out another set of 32, so I write 32 times 1 off to the right, and I subtract 32. Yay! I have a zero remainder. I'm done. The last step is to get my final quotient by adding all of my partial quotients. So 100 plus 10 is 110, plus 10 more is 120, plus 1 is 121, plus 1 more is 122. Okay, let's try another problem. Farmer Fred's rectangular barn is 2,436 square feet. It is 58 feet long. How wide is the barn?
Yeah, let's use the strategy of an area model for this division, Maisie.
Yeah, good idea, Melvin. So we have 2,436 square feet for the area of the barn. The length is 58, so if I divide, I'll get the width. The first thing that I do in an area model is draw a rectangle. Since 58 is my divisor, I write it at the top. Like partial quotients, we need to know some facts about our divisor, so we'll write them off to the side. 58 times 1 is 58. 58 times 10 is 580. 58 times 100 is 5,800. 5,800 is greater than our dividend, so we can stop. We don't need this fact. I'll begin by taking out an area of 580. So I'll write the 580 in my area model. I'm going to write 58 times 10 to keep up with my partial quotients. And this is my partial quotient. And then I subtract the 580. I'll keep taking out areas of 580 and subtracting until I have an area less than 580. So I just keep repeating this process. Okay, I think I only have one more to go. Now I need to take out areas of 58. And I'll write 58 times 1 off to the side. Yay, I have a zero remainder. The last step is to add my partial quotients to get my final answer. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So the width of the barn is 42 feet. Okay, kids, now it's your turn. Woof, woof.